Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add Canva resume to your Wix website step by step. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we are already landed in here and we have a couple of options of our resume. So I will select any of them. I already selected one and I edited this one, and I just want to associated this resume with my Wix platform. So I will download this one as a PNG. Just go over here and then select the PNG and just click to the download. Once I click over here, it will be download perfectly. Then I will open one of the website from my Wix platform, and once it's done here, I will just click on edit site. Once I click over here, it will open in a new tab, or I will get drag and drop editing panel. So here actually you can see our PNG file already been downloaded, and here it will take a couple of minutes to complete the process. So we just need to be keep patient here. Even once it's done, then you just need to be create a couple of things. So let's wait a bit here, and you can see that our loading already been done. So I will just come over here, or I can go any of that place. Like I will click on add sections. Once I click over here and that place, I will just add an elements called image. So let's find it out the image one. Here you can see that image one. I will just click on upload image. Once I click over here, then it will give us the options where we can upload our image from the computer. So I will select this one, and here actually you can see it will upload it within a second. So we just need to be wait a bit here also, and just click to the add to page, and here eventually you can see it already been added in here. If you want to increase the section size, you just need to be go and increase this size and just click to the publish. Once you click over here, it will successfully be published, and just click to the view site, and you can eventually see your resume in your website. And so in this way you can easily add your resume in your Wix platform. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button.